idea of bonding is that you can make it to fit your head and then tape it down, or glue, like some people glue it, but I recommend no fuss approach, and that is taping. So you would use something like this, and you would just tape the perimeter of the whole thing. You can even put some extra pieces just for extra security if you wish, and that pretty much is the basis. You would take it off with isopropyl alcohol, and that could take like 1 week of wear, up to even 2 to 3 or even 4, depending on your skin chemistry there. Because some people are have more oily skin, or they have just more profusive sweating, or they just live in some more humid areas. One is my favorite, Walker Ultra Hold Tape. This one is waterproof and really one of the strongest ones. So this one lasts me like for 3 weeks. I can have it on, and it holds great during my active lifestyle, like trainings, dancing, and hanging upside down. So that is what it comes to bonding, and like a big advantage. So you don't have to worry if somebody hugs you and like it's going nowhere. So it's like, this is really, when you are even taking it down in the reinstallment phase, you cannot just put it down, because it would rip your skin together with the tape. It holds that strong. So you see, even here you can see I would probably before pull it the strand from the base, then get it from my head. So if somebody was to do this, it would pretty much be like my own head of hair.